Am I able to reduce my child support? Depending on the circumstance, the court has the ability to lower a party's child support obligation. Say, for example, you were paying $1,000 each month in child support and you ended up losing a job. Well, should you be obligated to pay an amount that may no longer meet your current income? The answer, in short, is no. The more complicated legal answer is it depends. The reality of almost every situation is there's two sides to the story. Did you lose your job, or are you purposely underemploying yourself to try to pay less in child support? If you have lost your job, you have the ability to do what's called a petition to modify the parent-child relationship. Maybe you want to keep possession and access the same. Maybe you're not asking to change any rights and duties, but you do want to change your child support obligation to be more in line with what you're paying. If now you have a job that would require a payment of, let's say, $800 in child support as opposed to $1,000, you absolutely have the ability to go request the court to make that change. What the court must see is that an obligation of child support would be reduced by at least $100 or by 20%. You must meet one of those two pieces of information to qualify for a child support reduction. If you go and petition the court to reduce your child support and it's only going to change it by $20 or $30, it's incredibly unlikely that the court is going to reduce that obligation. At the same time, you have to notify the other parent that you're making this request. You could be potentially opening Pandora's box. If you file a petition to modify strictly concerning child support, the other former spouse or other party, mom or dad, has the ability to file their own counter petition in which they're asking to change possession and access, conservatorship language, or anything in between that has to do with your child. So I always recommend clients to speak to an attorney first to decide whether or not it is in your own best interest to potentially file a child support reduction modification.